This next lesson will explain the use of the activity completion settings found within Saylor Academy courses. So as you work through materials within each unit, you'll often notice a checkbox next to different activities. For the most part, these activities, you can check off manually based on having read the material or watched the video. Whatever the instructions for resource are, when you felt you mastered that material, you can mark your progress by checking one of these boxes. If you later decide that you didn't actually complete that, you can also uncheck that. And so as you work through courses, a good way to let yourself know where you've left off is to make sure to check these off for each section of the course that you have completed. In some instances, in some courses, rather than being triggered by manually setting those, some activities will automatically get checked off if you view them, though we are working towards making the courses similar throughout, and as we break them out to be very granular based on discrete resources, giving you the opportunity to check those activities off yourself. The exception to that is with any sort of activities that might have grades. So unit assessments or final exams, you'll notice that instead of being kind of a solid check mark, these are shaded check boxes, which will only get filled in if you actually get a grade, and in most cases get the passing grade for that particular assignment. And as a general rule of thumb, any sort of auto-graded unit assessment or final exam, the passing grade for that would be a 70%. So if you score 70%, then you will get a check mark automatically filled in there. If you don't score 70%, it might indicate that you've attempted it, but that you haven't completed it. And upon successfully completing it with a grade of 70%, then that will change to become a checkbox.